Children of God, on April 15, 2026, a significant voice from the church in Asia spoke to a global audience. Cardinal Pablo Virgilio David, Bishop of Caloocan in the Philippines and the Vice President of the Federation of Asian Bishops' Conferences, wrote an open letter addressed to American Catholics. In that letter, he referred to a controversial post by Donald Trump, who shared an AI-generated image portraying himself in a role strikingly reminiscent of a healer or even savior. The image suggested someone who restores, protects, and redeems. Cardinal David observed that regardless of intention, the message presented a vision of leadership that bordered on the messianic. It raised an important question about how we understand leadership today. Is leadership about power, image, and influence? Or is it about service and sacrifice? The Cardinal then invited the faithful to a different path. He said, I invite you to join Pope Leo XIV and the whole Church in praying and working tirelessly for peace. Peace that is rooted not in domination, but in justice. Not in fear, but in solidarity. Not in power, but in love. This message reminds us that not all who appear strong are truly shepherds. It challenges us to discern the kind of leadership we follow and imitate.